Hi, welcome back to Kalike. I'm here with yet another interesting numerical. Imagine you stand on top of a building which is about 25-meter tall from the ground, and you throw a ball upwards with an initial velocity of 20 meter per second, and it reaches a certain height. Okay, so if you are asked to calculate what is the maximum height covered or what is the maximum distance covered by the ball from where you have thrown it, how do you calculate? Come on, let's solve it together. So this is the scenario given. So this is the building which is about 25-meter tall. So suppose this is the point of projection from where you project the ball in the upward direction, vertically upwards, with an initial velocity of 20 meter per second. And we know for a fact when it reaches at the highest point, the final velocity will be zero. For a moment, it is going to be at a stop. So therefore it stops and then comes back in the downward direction due to gravity, which is in the downward direction. So here, since it is coming in the downward direction, we assume the acceleration always to be negative. In the downward direction, acceleration is denoted by the letter G, and in the downward direction, acceleration is denoted by a minus sign. So that is just a convention we follow. In the upward direction, we always take it to be positive. In the downward direction, we always take it to be negative. Now, if you have to calculate what is the distance traveled, suppose I call that entire distance, let us call this entire distance from the ground to where the ball reaches to be y. Okay, so this distance to be y, let's call it to be y. So if you call this distance to be y, so this entire distance till where the ball reaches is y. Okay, so what will be the distance? What is the distance that you are supposed to calculate? This is the height of the building. This is the entire distance is y. So this distance will be y minus y naught. The entire distance minus the distance of the building or the height of the building. So we need to calculate y minus y naught, which is precisely the distance AB, right? You are calculating the distance AB from the point of projection to where it exactly reaches. So how do you calculate this? So in order to calculate that, what you do is, first of all, we know this is an unknown quantity. What do you know? You know the quantities, you know V naught, you know the final velocity, you have to calculate the distance. So what is the equation of motion that connects these three quantities? The equation of motion that connects these quantities is V is equal to V naught plus AT. Sorry, not V naught plus AT. So you have to use V square is equal to V naught square plus 2A into Y minus